So here's one of Taregh's models, the Ghost Rider, gorgeous model as usual, and this one I printed, as you can see, in one piece. That's straight off the print bed. So the next thing to do now is to actually get these supports removed and see what the model's like, and the hope is that all of the parts that are supported will come away nicely and leave a decent surface finish. And for that I tend to use a range of tools, and everybody's will differ, whatever you're most comfortable with, but a pair of pliers, my favourite tweezers, these are robust, I think is probably the best way to put that, side cutters, a craft knife, you never know when you need to get into that finer detail, and a scriber. This one's got a nice right angle at the end, and again it's all about getting into little crevices where you might have a little bit. Okay, so let's see if we can get these supports off. So I said that the thing that I tend to do is see how strong they are. So for instance, that one you can see quite easily break away. You can feel usually whether they'll break away easily or not. That one doesn't feel too bad. And then if you don't think they will break away, obviously there's two contact points for the support, the top and the bottom, and sometimes it's difficult to know which one's the better actually adhered, and even the mere fact that they are stuck at the top and the bottom may well add to the fact that it's solid. So one of the things I tend to do is when that's the case, I'll try and break them, and as you can see that came off quite easily once the pressure was relieved. And again, surface finish pretty good, not seeing any noticeable issues at the moment. Some of the ones that are around the edge on the base, typically I should be able to get in there and just pick that off, and sure enough that's what's happened. So that's the process. Be careful as you go through, especially when it gets to fine details. This one isn't so bad because you've got a nice bald fist on the hand. Models like Wonder Woman have got, you know, outstretched hands and fingers, and you need to be a bit more careful with them, doing them individually. Okay, so I'll just work on this. So I'm really happy with how the models come out and all the supports are removed. Another great model from Taregh Saber, and this was just one way that you can print those models. I printed it complete on the build plate with supports.